how to make Es Kuwut. Es Kuwut is a sweet, fresh, traditional drink from Indonesia. Please listen carefully.
The ingredients are melon syrup, half of melon, nata de coco, grater, knife, spoon, plastic cup, big bowl.
First, cut the melon and grind it into a small piece or scoop. And put it into a bowl. After that, put the nata de coco. Next, pour melon syrup into a bowl. After that, add liquid sugar and ice cup in the bowl. Then pour mineral water. So, Es Kuwut is ready to serve. So that's how to make Es Kuwut. It's very easy, sweet, and refreshing. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.